Hi everybody, this video is going to be about proportional relationships and inverse proportional relationships. So we have this problem here. It takes two people 8 hours to mow 15 acres of grass. Okay, we want to figure out how many people to mow how many acres. So in 8 hours, how many people is it going to take to mow how many acres? So let's see. We know they gave us that it takes two people 8 hours to mow 15 acres, right? Okay, can you tell me then if I had 4 people instead of 2 people, what do you think is going to happen to the acres? You've got twice as many people now, right? So you're going to be able to mow, times 2 times 2, you're going to be able to mow 30 acres. Does that make sense? How about if I had let's see. If I had 120 acres, how many people could mow 120 acres in 8 hours? Let's see. How did we get from 30 to 120? We multiplied by 4. So you do the same thing here. You can multiply by 4. So it would take 16 people to mow 120 acres. What if I wanted to know how many acres can only one person mow, right? So let's see. So it took 2 people. 2 people could do 15 acres. So if you only have one person, you divide it by 2, right? You cut the number of people in half. So you got to do the same thing on the acres. 15 divided by 2 equals 7.5. So one person is only going to be able to mow 7.5 acres. This is what we call a proportional relationship. Right? How come that's a proportional relationship? As the people go up, number of people go up, the acres go up. They also go up. So they go up proportionately in the same direction. Okay? Now we're going to talk about an inverse proportional relationship. So what the heck is that? Let's see. So we still have the same situation where we have 2 people 8 hours to mow 15 acres. Now I'm going to do a table that's going to do hours people. And this is to mow 15 acres. I should do that line there. Okay, so what did they give us? They said it takes 8 hours for 2 people. Okay, let's make believe I got twice as many people now. So they went out and they hired more people. You still got to mow 15 acres. What's going to happen to the time? You got more people now. It's going to take less time. So if you have twice as many people, it's going to take you half the time to mow the lawns, right? The 15 acres. What if you had 8 people? So now you have twice as many people from here to here, right? So it's going to take you half the amount of time that it took 4 people. Okay? Let's do one more. How many hours would it take one person to mow the grass? How would we figure that out? How would we figure that one out? Let's see. Well, 8 people took 2 hours. Now you only got one person mowing the lawn. So it's going to take 8 times as long, right? Because there's only one guy versus 8 guys. So this is what we call an inverse proportional relationship. And how come? As the people goes up, the time goes down, right? So as one goes up, the other goes down. So that's why it's called inverse proportional. So a lot of times when we're talking about time, it's inverse proportional. You got more people working on something, the time's going to go down. Oops, somebody's calling me. But hopefully that helps, and ask me if you have any questions. Okay, thank you.